Opposition leader NACHAMISA is hinted an explosive revelation surrounding what he claims was massive electoral fraud that ended President Emmerson Mnangagwa victory in the disputed 2018 and 2023 general elections. Sarabina mashoko budanyo kopangwa ine shinzi Chamisa promises explosive revelation. Don't be a subscriber or like out on the bell icon. Tibina mnangagwaZim budanyo kwa mchinzi. In a strongly worded statement posted on social media, Chamisa said the truth behind Zimbabwe's recent elections cannot be hidden forever, warning that those responsible for manipulating the outcome are increasingly uneasy as exposure looms. In cause, the truth about the citizens' victory in 2018 and 2023 cannot be hidden forever. What truly happened and who played what part in this massive fraud will be revealed to all, Chamisa wrote. Although he did not name Mnangagwa directly in the post, Chamisa's remarks were widely interpreted as a direct attack on the president, the ruling party ZANU-PF, which he has long accused of rigging elections to cling to power. Chamisa claimed that efforts to suppress or distort the truth would ultimately fail, insisting that evidence of electoral manipulation would eventually surface. You can debase the truth, but you can't erase it. Truth is a way of resurfacing. It cannot be buried indefinitely, he said. He further suggested that those implicated in the alleged fraud are gripped by fear. That is why they are terrified. The guilty are restless. Chamisa added, ending his message with a defiant declaration that change will happen. The opposition leader has consistently maintained that he won both the 2018 and 2023 elections, alleging widespread vote rigging, intimidation of voters, manipulation of results, and the capture of state institutions by the ruling party. Regional and international observers also raised concerns over electoral transparency, though Mnangagwa's government has repeatedly dismissed claims of fraud. Thomas Kwanubranyo Kopangwa Inwe. Penako section medunzo fungure enyi motu lipa msepe chitkwich. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.